So this is that tiny vernal pool in the North Woods that I brought you all to a few weeks ago. And you probably can't tell from this video, but it's quite a bit larger than it was before. It rained probably 1.5 or 2 inches last night, and I wanted to take a look at this pool today to see if I could see any evidence of spotted salamanders breeding here last night with the big rain. I suspected not because it was cold last night. It vacillated between about 37 to 43 degrees last night. Still just a little bit too cold for spotted salamanders and wood frogs to be very active. We can see them active at sometimes 46 degrees, but usually 48 to 50 and higher. So I've counted, and there are between 13 and 15 wood frog egg masses here in this pool, and I believe they all look to be at least a week old, and I can tell that by the size of them, how much water they've taken on since they were laid. When they're laid, they're smaller than about half the size of a ping pong ball, and now they're about baseball sized. They're not quite as big as they're going to get. They'll get larger, but I did not find any spotted salamander egg masses in this pool. It rained hard last night. It was warm today. It got up to about 57 degrees as far as I can tell. And so I'm guessing at this little pool in the North Woods, there could be spotted salamanders breeding. So if any of you are still around the Kingston area and you can do so safely, I repeat, you can do so safely, not riding in a car with others, not getting within 6 feet of each other or no closer than the wingspan of a turkey vulture, I encourage you to come to this pool if you can do so safely and see if spotted salamanders are breeding tonight. I've heard that spotted salamanders are breeding in New Jersey, New York. We've seen a few egg masses here in Rhode Island, but we haven't had the big breeding pulse of spotted salamanders yet in Rhode Island. So you've got time still. I also want to note that today, on March 24th, I heard one male wood frog calling in the North Woods. So I think he's a little bit late to the game because most of the egg masses look like they're a week or so old. But who knows, maybe there's a female late to the game and he'll still have a chance. Okay, I hope you all are healthy and safe, and I will see you soon.